with your Shopify.io sub account. So first go to settings, click integrations to see all native integration available like Google, Facebook, Stripe, QuickBooks, and etc. For apps not natively supported use Zapier or Mint. Or to connect Shopify.io with thousands of other tools. So in Zapier or Make, search for Go High Level as the app, connect your account and set up your automation, triggers, and actions.